You want to say goodbye to razors and have smooth, hair-free skin without having to leave the comfort of your home? Do you want to feel more confident in your skin and no longer have those rashes and skin irritations and ingrown hairs that shaving can create? Then keep watching to see how I achieve the smoothest, most hair-free skin easily and effortlessly at home using the best-selling Ulike laser hair removal devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I bring you the latest in beauty and skincare. Today I have an exciting comparison video for you. I'm going to be comparing the new Ulike Air 10 versus the Ulike Air 3 laser hair removal devices. If you're tired of dealing with unwanted hair and are looking for an effective solution, then you've come to the right place. After over 10 years of research, Ulike has now come out with the newest version of their best-selling IPL hair removal device. I'm super excited because I have it right here with me today. It's the Ulike Air 10. I've been previously using the Ulike Air 3, so I thought it'd be super fun today to compare the two devices. Both the Ulike Air 10 and the Air 3 are innovative hair removal devices designed to give you a long-lasting results in the comfort of your own home. They both rely on advanced technology to target and disable hair follicles, leading to reduced hair growth over time. In comparing the two devices, let's talk about their effectiveness. The Ulike Air 10 offers a 96% hair density reduction in 2 weeks, so you will have less visible hair in only 14 days. In comparison, the Ulike Air 3 has a 90% hair density reduction rate. So in 4 weeks, you'll see that visible hair reduction as opposed to the Ulike 10, which will provide that hair reduction in only 2 weeks. So if time is something that's important to you, for example, if you have a special event coming up or a vacation, or you need to have your hair reduced in an even quicker time, then you might want to consider upgrading to the Ulike Air 10. Because the Ulike Air 10 provides 2 to 4 flashes per shot, you're getting dual light in your hair removal. In comparison here, the Ulike Air 3 provides 1 flash per shot and is a single lamp. So that is how the Ulike Air 10 is able to provide that hair reduction in only 2 weeks, because it does have the dual lights and it does provide 2 to 4 flashes per shot. So this is going to help you to have visible hair reduction quicker with the Ulike Air 10 as compared to the Ulike Air 3. Next up, let's compare efficiency. The Ulike Air 10 provides a full body hair removal treatment in only 10 minutes, compared to the Air 3, which provides a full body treatment in 12 minutes. The reason why the Ulike Air 10 is able to provide a full body hair removal treatment so quickly is that it has the capabilities to work in SHR mode, which has 4 flashes in only 1 second. In comparison, the Ulike Air 3 is basically 1 flash per 1 second, so the flash window on the Ulike 10 is slightly faster than the Air 3. So let's compare the comfort and safety of these two devices. The Ulike Air 10 has a auto power adjustment compared to the Air 3, which has a manual adjustment. The Air 10 also has a smart skin sensor, and it has next generation sapphire ice cooling technology. The Air 3 also has sapphire cooling technology, but the Air 10 does have that next gen cooling technology, so it's much cooler in comparison. Now let's compare the modes. Both devices employ auto glide and manual modes, so it's a really great feature of both of these devices. Then there is the power levels. The Ulike 10 has 4 power levels, while the Air 3 has 3 power levels. These power modes include the fast mode, which is perfect for maintenance and small touch-ups. And then there is also the normal mode, which is best for hair removal for fine to normal hair. Then there is also the high mode, which is best for hair removal for thicker hair. Both of these are excellent for full body use, and both are safe for the pubic area. Both offer a 2-year warranty, and both offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. So now let's talk specifically about the Ulike Air 10. Is it worth the upgrade? The Air 10 is Ulike's first IPL with dual lights and salon-inspired SHR mode, bringing clinical results right into your home. You'll see visible results in just 2 weeks with this device. You'll have long-lasting smooth skin, and the dual lights and the SHR mode on the Air 10 are perfect at helping to remove stubborn hair. The ice cooling technology with this new next gen feature is absolutely amazing, and I love the skin sensor for extra peace of mind. After 10 plus years of IPL research, Ulike has now upgraded their signature cooling system, which helps protect your skin to prevent burns and even leaves your skin feeling almost like brand new after each treatment. In comparing the two devices, it's important to know that some users felt that the Ulike Air 10 was bigger, which does have an influence on their choice. Because it is bigger, it can cover larger areas of your skin, though, for quicker hair removal in a faster time. The Air 10 also does have the upgraded from single to dual lamps, which provides greater energy. The Air 10 also has optimal ventilation placement, which provides improved thermal efficiency. And the Air 10 also has a streamlined design, which enhances your hand comfort so you can easily treat every part of your body and it fits very comfortably in your hand. It also has a more stylish look with its purple color and glossy finish, and it does weigh about the weight of an iPhone 15 Pro Max. It also does have 40% faster flash speed. It offers a 18% larger treatment area and a 65% increase in total energy output. It has double effectiveness, so you will see the results of your hair removal within 2 weeks. It will also remove your toughest hairs, as the dual lamps here work in unison to provide 2 times the flashes in 1 second as compared to the Air 3. In comparing the Air 3 to the Air 10, though, the Air 3 has linear housings. It has a compact portable size. It does have only one lamp, so it treats smaller areas. And because it's smaller, while it can't provide the energy of having two lamps, but it is more convenient to take with you if you travel a lot. So that's one reason why you might like the Air 3. The Air 3 has 3 modes compared to the Air 10, which does have 4 modes, but both are very comfortable and easy to use and essentially painless. Both have key features like the signature Ulike sleek design, making them both easy to hold and maneuver. They both utilize IPL intense pulse light technology, which emits a broad spectrum of light to target the melanin in the follicles. This process effectively damages the follicles, inhibiting the hair growth. So, which one would you choose? The Ulike Air 10 or the Ulike Air 3? Well, it definitely depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a compact and user friendly device, the Ulike Air 3 might be the perfect fit for you. On the other hand, if you prioritize faster hair removal, the Ulike Air 10 with its larger treatment window and additional energy levels could be your ideal choice. Also, it is much more cooling in the Sapphire cooling technology. Now I'll address some of the questions that I got in my last video about Ulike laser hair removal devices. Melissa asked, are there any specific skin types or hair colors that are not suitable for laser hair removal? That's such a great question, Melissa. While laser hair removal is generally safe and effective for many individuals, there are certain skin types and hair colors that this may not be suitable for laser hair removal treatment. Let's consider some of these factors. First, we'll talk about skin types. Laser hair removal works by targeting the melanin pigment in the hair follicles. The laser is attracted to the dark pigment, which absorbs the light and damages the follicles. Consequently, individuals with lighter skin tones and darker hair tend to have the best results. People with fair to medium skin tones and dark hair typically respond well to laser hair removal. However, individuals with darker skin tones may have a higher risk of experiencing side effects such as discoloration. Therefore, it's important to consult a dermatologist or a qualified professional to determine if laser hair removal is suitable for your specific skin type. Another question I received was from Samantha C., and she asked, how exactly does laser hair removal work? Another great question. Laser hair removal technology works by targeting the melanin pigment present in the hair follicles, and melanin is responsible for the color of our hair and skin. The laser emits a concentrated beam of light that is absorbed by the melanin in the hair follicles. This absorbed light energy is then converted into heat, which damages the follicles and inhibits future hair growth. Remember, before using your laser hair removal device, it's crucial to carefully read the instructions. To use your Ulike hair removal device, you always want to shave and dry the treatment area prior to using your hair removal device. Then you want to put on your protective glasses to protect your eyes, and then you want to power on the device and select your desired intensity level, and then just press the device onto your skin. Whichever device you choose, both the Ulike Air 10 and the Airlike 3 offer convenient and effective options for achieving smooth and hair-free skin in the comfort of your own home. So I'll have everything for the Ulike Air 10 and the Ulike Air 3 listed down below, and hopefully I'll be able to get a coupon or a promo code that I can share with you beauties so you can get additional savings. So if I am able to get that code, I will have it linked down below with the links with exactly where you can purchase your Ulike Air 3 or your Air 10. So that's everything for today's video. Let me know if you have your Ulike device. If you love it as much as I love mine, let me know down below. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.